Here's a quick look at how the map projection setup works. First, break your source image into the layers you want. Next, jump into the camera view and build the geometry you'll use for the projection. After that, separate the layers and paint in the missing areas so each piece feels complete. Once that's done, you have everything you need to move the camera through the scene. You can even use an empty to control the camera pull, focus, and other moves. I'm pushing the depth of field here to make the parallax effect stand out. In a normal setup, if you push it too far, it starts to feel like a macro shot or a toy effect. Working in real-world units helps keep your camera results consistent and natural. Alrighty, have fun and see you next time.